All right, so you said you and your wife are interested in buying a brand new beach house, right?
Yes, sir.
You know what they say, happy wife, happy life. You don't find that funny, bro? All right. So, tell me about your finances.
So I make $130,000 a year. My wife makes $110,000, and we want the minimum down. We own a home right now, but that was inherited from our family, so we don't pay a mortgage. We want this one as a nice little vacation house.
So let's hit the math. So this is kind of cool because there's 2 housing payments, so there's a little bit more restrictions placed on these type of mortgages. So you're making about 130, your wife's making about 110, so that's 240. You guys are making a bag, 20K a month. So how's your credit scores?
Credit is pretty good right now.
Give or take a?
730.
All right, cool. So 730 credit score should be fine for a second home purchase. I think the underlining over here really accentuates it nice. So we'll probably only able to go up to $9,000 a month and all in debt. So your current house you inherited, what are the yearly taxes on it?
$12,000 a year.
Okay, so $12,000 a year is $1,000 a month. And the homeowner's insurance?
$2,400.
All right, so 2,400, so it's another 200 off. So that's going to be about 7,800 left. Now, from the 7,800, do you have any other debts? Anything on your credit report?
We have a car payment. It's like $1,000 a month.
Okay, so minus another 1,000. So just roughly, that's $6,800 max mortgage payment for this second home. So let's take a peek at an $800,000 home. So 20% down. Can you swing 25% down? It's actually going to be about $200,000.
Yeah, I think we could do that.
All right, so the reason you want to do that is pricing on a second home oftentimes very spicy. 25% down payment, that's going to leave you with a $600,000 mortgage. So if we assume a rate of 7% with a 7.5% APR, you're talking a $4,200 a month mortgage payment. Not only will you have to get homeowners insurance, which is probably going to be a little bit costly with some of the hurricanes and various things that are happening. So let's say another $400 a month for homeowners insurance. You're probably going to have to get flood insurance. Now I'm going to roughly estimate $800 a month. So if you add all that together, it's $5,200 before your other insurances, another $1,200. So $6,400 a month. That's going to be this example. Is that something you can afford?
I think so. Let's do it.
All right, so as you can see, if you're making $240,000 a year combined, you own a house outright with just taxes and insurance that you've inherited, you would be eligible to buy a second home for $800,000 with 25% down. Wife's about to be happy.